7 bedrooms. You could live down below, rent the top, live up top, live down below. Rent it room by room. You can do whatever you want. Makes a great investment property. I'll tell you guys the price at the very end. So as you guys can see, this is massive, extremely tall, vaulted ceilings. Up top here, we have 4 bedrooms, as well as a private pool. I love this. Look at the nice island we have here. I mean, doing some nice cooking here. What do you think about this kitchen?
This is amazing. I love it. It's wide open and it's clean.
Yeah, it's very clean. I mean, this really is a fresh canvas. This has been recently remodeled. You're gonna see some great views from some of the bedrooms here as well. And you have the option to build on the roof even taller if you like. So if you want even bigger than 7 bedrooms, you can make this thing 14 if you want. Everything in this property actually is brand new. We've got the brand new fridge, we've got the brand new stove, the microwave, the sink, the granite. Everything has been completely remodeled, the mini splits. I mean, this place is perfect and really gonna make an awesome Airbnb retirement home. And you can make some money while you retire. Hey, what's wrong with that? Look at this, brand new cupboards also. Oh, and some wine glasses. Oh, I might have to check that out in a minute. Now we are in one of the masters, actually on the terrace of one of the masters, because remember, this really is 2 houses put together. Some people would call this a duplex or a townhome back home. Really, it's both because it has a lock off. So this could be 7 bedrooms in total, or again, 4 up top and 3 down below. I mean, right from here, you can see the pool has a beautiful pool that we can jump in. If I get a running start, nah, I'm gonna die for sure. But for you guys, I might just try it at the end of the video. You always gotta stay hydrated in Cabo San Lucas. Don't forget that. There's a couple rules when you come here. 1, you gotta learn to say no. 2, you gotta stay hydrated. And look at this, we walked right into the 2nd house. How gorgeous is this? Very romantic. Thank you for setting all these candles for me. I really appreciate that. It was very nice of you. Just waiting for some wine for my giant wine glasses over here. This is a table built for a king. Skål! Salud!
Troya!
Cheers! Cheers! Cheers, guys! Cheers! Once you leave America, you'll start hating the word cheers and you realize how much of a sissy word it is. And anytime any Americans go, cheers, I go, salud! Viva Mexico! Viva Cabos! Viva Cabo One! See how much more manly that is? Cheers, guys. Cheers. So now we are, of course, on the 1st level. This has the 3 bedrooms. To my right has the swimming pool. And then, of course, behind me has the kitchen. But let's go check out the swimming pool. I'm gonna sneak over here and do a little ninja move. Watch this. This is a giant terrace. And I love the pool here, connected right to the terrace, right off of the master, the lower master, I should say. You can walk right out that master, jump in here in the night, chill, relax for a couple minutes, de-stress, and jump right back in your bed. I mean, how nice is that, right?
Oh, nice. I mean, a lot.
But guys, this is a rental machine. This thing can produce a ton of money, remember that. And you've got a lot of different ways you could rent it. You could rent it room by room as well, and then really maximize your profits. There's 2 giant garages below this. They're so long, you could probably fit 4 or 5 vehicles, and for sure, a bowling alley. You'd be the only guy to have a bowling alley in Cabo San Lucas. Come on, guys, let's go check out the living area, the living space. Remember, this is a 3 and a 4 with the lock off. Look how big and spacious this is. I don't know if I like the bottom or the top better. What do you prefer so far?
The top.
Yeah?
Sure. Yeah.
Yeah, because it's 4 beds. The ceilings are a little higher. But the terrace here is really nice too, so both are great in my opinion. The kitchen here is a tiny bit smaller, but we do have the gas stove, which is quite nice. New refrigerator, LG, gotta love that. And let's go check out the master bedroom. Obviously, we are here watching my YouTube channel. Pia loves it, so she watches it pretty much all day, every day. I'm like, turn it off. Ugh, you've seen enough of it.
I'm so obsessed.
We're here in the lower master. We've got his and her sinks, which of course is quite nice. Ay, qué guapo, guapísimo. Solamente el más guapo en el mundo. Mames. Hey, sorry, as you guys can see, we have a beautiful mirror here with his and her sinks. And of course, we have this nice shower, all completely remodeled. Very elegant, contemporary. Every guy's gonna like this, and every girl's gonna like it even more. All right, should we use these glasses or the big ones?
I think the big ones would be better.
Pop, 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 and bottle. I'm gonna hit soft. Oye, ya la verga, no mames.
No mames, mi ojo. La segunda vez en la semana, güey, no mames.
Lego.
Dale.
I think I made a little mess. I think I made a mistake.
Ahora sí.
Cheers.
After everything I just said, Javier, a born Mexican, just said cheers. A la verga, güey, no mames. ¿Tú eres mexicano? No. ¿Sí? ¿Es verdad? ¡Salud! ¡Viva México! You may enter. You may enter. Welcome to my castle. This house is really built for a king and a queen. When you look at these chairs, when you look at the table, how massive this is. I mean, I feel like I just want to tell people what to do. Bring me the clown. Bring me the clown. No, the other one, the funnier one. Bring him now. No, he won't do it. He says he's not pretty enough. And you, I don't know, bro. Cheers, guys. Cheers, guys. And remember, guys, too, this has extremely low HOA, 5 minutes to downtown. So 5 minutes to everything that you want. So we've got Costco literally 1 minute away. Also just around the corner, we have Plaza Nova. They have a gymnasium. They have a very good steak restaurant. They have a nice Italian coffee shop. Everything you need within 1 minute away. How's the food?
This looks amazing. I love it.
I agree. This was made for a king. I mean, this is pretty nice. You gotta have a big family here to have a table like this. Or, if this was me, I'd be putting a pool table here. Lego. The HOA here, guys, $200 a month for a 7-bedroom, massive villa/mansion. And the taxes on this, gonna be right under $1,000 a year. Now, when you compare that to California, if you had this house there, you're $50,000 a year. Who knows? Ridiculous. You guys tell me in the comments, how much a house like this, how much would you pay in taxes in California or in New York or whatever city you're from? I'm curious to know. Why don't you show us the laundry room?
Okay, let's take a look.
Brand spanking new, like spanking new. All right, and then of course we have the beautiful half bath here as well. Very nice. And I love the mirrors and everything that they did. And what you really could do with these mirrors is you could put some nice accent lighting behind them. Very easy, very inexpensive. One thing that you guys don't understand is doing upgrades in Mexico is very inexpensive. It's about 25% of what it would cost you back in the States. Once you get in here, your cost of living is much lower, so you can really leverage your life. Cabo San Lucas, land of the free. Thank you so much for joining us again on another adventure. You're wondering, what is the price? How much is it, BK? Well, you know, if you want to know any of the prices of any of our properties, just go to our website, www.cabo1.com, and you can see all of our properties under hot listings. You can also check the partnership page if you'd like to become part of the Cabo One team. And you can also search for any properties in the Baja right there on the website. But this property, we currently have listed at $1.45 million. That's right, $1,450,000. And we can show you guys this property anytime that you like. Again, this is a rental property, so sometimes it is occupied, but just send us a message and we'll make it work. We'll get you in to see it. And at this price, it's not gonna last long. So send me a message ASAP. Thank you so much for all your help.
Thank you so much for having me.
Salud, Viva Mexico.